Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee from coffee beans at home. First, select a quality burr grinder for uniform results, which is crucial for a balanced extraction. Grind your whole beans right before you brew to preserve their aromatic oils and flavor. The fineness of your grind should match your brewing method. For example, a finer grind for espresso versus a coarser one for French press. Next, let's explore popular brewing methods. The French press steeps coffee for a bold, full-bodied experience, retaining more of the natural oils. Pour-over brewing allows for precise control, bringing out delicate flavors and aromas. For everyday ease, a drip coffee machine offers a consistent cup with minimal effort, perfect for busy mornings. Water quality significantly impacts your coffee's flavor. Always use filtered water to avoid off-tastes from impurities. A good starting point for your coffee-to-water ratio is 1:16, meaning 1 part coffee to 16 parts water. Aim for a brewing temperature of about 200 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction without burning the grounds. Proper storage keeps your coffee fresh. Store whole beans in an opaque, airtight container away from light and heat. Avoid the refrigerator as it can introduce moisture and odors. Enjoy your freshly brewed coffee immediately for the best experience. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.